Hello, Cliff here from American Business Telephone, All Products Painting. I just want to show you a project that we just finished painting today. These were formerly black telephones that we just refinished in white. Here we have the tops for the AVAYA 9508 telephones. I'll just kind of sweep through here. These were all just refinished in a bright white for a customer that desired to have white telephones. And also a Grand Stream telephone. And the parts involving the displays, the bases, and then just bringing it back around here for another, we'll do a close-up here on one of the 1416 tops so you can take a look at it. And then just scanning right down the list again here are all the telephones. And then over to the bases themselves. And these are the bases for the phones. Just kind of move right along here. Show you what they look like. And come in closely on one of the bases for 9508 and the 1416. And then just moving right over to the handsets themselves. I'll turn this one around so you can see the back of the handset. So that's the back of the handset. Whole handset's been refinished in a very bright white color. Just continue right down. So you can take a look at all the handsets that have been painted. And this is a permanent, very durable finish, has no odor, and once it's dried, it's non-toxic. So it's a perfect thing for a home or a business. Getting another close-up here, just looking at the bases. And this is the base or stand, which holds the phone up in a couple of different positions. We take the rubber feet off as well. And then right back over here, and the switch hook as well, and the Grand Stream, which we will end at. So if we can help you out with a project like this, or if you need to have a phone in a white color and you can't get it any other way, please give us a ring at All Products Painting, American Business Telephone, 877-242-0070, or locally, 860-643-2200. Thank you for listening, and I appreciate if you have any need for this type of business, please give us a ring. Thank you.